You'll move up. Look to the east towards that white smoke.
Alright, C1, we're on the most eastern berg.
Alright, C2, let's bound into the complex. Move quickly.
On you?
Yep. We're taking the western bird.
Looks like the helo's dealing with that.
MG1, we're taking the leftmost bird.
Alright, let's go.
MMG, I want you guys pushing up to the red tin building.
We're already there.
Where are we going with this?
Oh, nice.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
No,
we're going to
let's
Panama.
push up to that side of the compound as well.
We're going to LZ Panama, yeah. Alright, we're loaded.
One, this is 3. We're gonna go to LC Panama. Sounds good. You can go ahead and lead. LC Panama. Razorback is LC Panama clear.
I love it, right over the enemies. Hell yeah. That's how we run, guys.
That's how we like to fly around here. Go on your right one. Jesus Christ!
What the fuck?
RPG northeast.
Alright, you look good, Heather.
Copy that, MG1.
Go ahead and
Clear.
take a quick diagnosis, make sure you're not bleeding no matter how close RPG is.
Going west.
Go, go,
Alright,
go!
guys, go.
Reloading.
Let's go.
Isn't this like really far?
Damn it, break.
Stand break.
We got a minute.
Charlie 1, we're going to be off your right side.
Pants boot, we're almost onto the Overwatch position.
Copy that,
See you in
MG.
about 2 minutes.
Stay low as we get to these trees, MG1.
C1 has reached the Overwatch marker.
Give us the landmark, too. Okay, I got him. He's moving
C1, I'm gonna put
in
some
the open
traces
to
on
the
my fire stand.
He's down.
Everyone's like, "Oh, you guys fucking acne, man!" Like, I gotta cover it with something. Does anyone? Wait, where's the balaclava guy?
Oh yeah, who is that guy?
That guy. I have a name.
Oh yeah.
Hey man, can I borrow your balaclava? I have acne.
Is that Alpha?
Ew.
Alpha, there's only like one.
Dude, I'm a medic. Look at all the stuff I got. Look at this. Look at this. And look at this, Seekin. Look at this.
You open
And look. Look at this.
Yeah, thumb
How much ammo do you have
Hey,
for your
Charlie,
pistol?
cover me.
I have like... Wait, where did they all go? You fucking... you can...
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I'm not telling you, I'm just saying what I'm seeing. Charlie too. Have to get the weight. Every fucking time. Bravo, go ahead and regroup on the LVA. You're gonna be like the extreme last. So we're just gonna kill him and then we're gonna get his beret. That's what I'm waiting for. I guess, I don't know. Just can't kill, it can only give life. Oh. Until it falls on you.
You know what you should do?
What?
You should take off your beanie.